Mistake number 2 on the 5 costly mistakes to avoid when getting your house ready for sale is incorrect pricing. This is going to require 2 videos to cover this subject. Today I'm going to talk about underpricing a house. When you underprice a house, the market will correct itself because the house will be seen as a bargain. Here's an example of what I'm talking about. So back in 2007, Bob and I listed a house for sale. We were called in, it had been listed with another realtor, and it didn't sell. The list price had been $549,000. When we spoke to the seller, they said they would really like a quick sale and that they would like a sale price of $510,000. So after discussion, we decided the list price should be $499,000. There were a couple of small repairs that needed to be made to the house, and 2 weeks later, it went on the market, and we had an offer by 6 o'clock of $513,000. We had accomplished exactly what our clients wanted. This has been Rochelle Ward with your Monday Market Minute, and I would like for you to subscribe to our channel.